Hey everybody, it's Jake with Anything Scout. Today we're going to be showing you the upholstery department. This is the upholstery department. We do everything in-house. Over there. Today we'll be talking a little bit more in depth about our upholstery kit that we're offering and a little bit more hands-on of how we put that together. First step that we take in all of our projects is disassembling our old seats. Your seat will look something like this. This is an original Scout 2 rear bench seat. This is actually the same fabric we were able to find for our new seat covers, so that kind of inspired that. Your front seats will look like this. These are our seats without inserts. These ones have the insert in that fabric, and we then sew together, which we'll show you the process of that today, your rear seat to match. Real quick, since I referenced the different color options, we get a few questions on because we have 3 color options. This is tan. We offer that. You can get the tan fronts with the inserts and the matching rear. And this is spice, which we don't offer inserts with spice. But there you can kind of compare the difference in colors. Today I'm going to be working on taking this seat and adding inserts to it. Like this seat over here, we're using this vinyl for another truck. So this is the starting point. I'm going to tear this down. So once we got the, seat disassembled, this is like the bulk of the upholstery project right here. We have our insert material. We get the same factory Corbeau vinyl from them. And over the years, we've kind of developed the best and the most refined patterns. So we've done a lot of Corbeau seats. We think they're a really good looking seat. We have all the sliders and they, fit adapter wise on our bases, so it's just an easy, simple choice. It's a very premium product though, but we've done all the work ahead of time to choose the best materials, stuff that goes with like the Scout aesthetic, with like original materials like this. We've done a lot of this kind of stuff in our drivability and our new Legend builds, but today we're offering it on the website for anyone to buy, so you can refresh your Scout very quick. We figured out everything for you, and it's still a very, very premium product. So one of the things with upholstery is just attention to detail and the measurements. One thing that's tricky about adding an insert, especially one like this, which is kind of a woven fabric, is nothing about it wants to be square. So all these measurements and lining up all your lines is very important, and there's a lot of room for, error. But through, doing quite a few of these seats for our customers, we figured out tips and tricks and how to make everything line up and look right. But now that I've squared these off, I'm cutting these out for the inserts on a rear seat. And then I'll start cutting on the vinyl as well. On that topic with the inserts, it's one of the major things, and it's priced accordingly, is the fact that with inserts you have a lot more pieces. You have a lot more things to sew together, a lot more room for error if you sew it too short or you have it too long. It takes a lot more time, but your end product is something really cool, a mix of modern still with the old school insert material. Another part of the process that I want to highlight is the gluing process of the inserts. All of our inserts we put on 1/2-inch foam so that when we sew our accent lines, it has a good puffed out look. This is another tricky part. I always try to center it and line it up either with some sort of line in the fabric, but this is the best chance to get everything square. All right, one of the final steps to the process is this double needle French seam machine. We cut all of our material 1/2 inch so that we can go back and finish it with the double needle. It increases the durability and looks really, really good when it's done. So this was an inside scoop on our interior kits that we offer on Anything Scout. The benefits are it's quick, easy, you get a premium product in not a lot amount of time. Figured out all the sewing and the patterns where you can just install it in your truck and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to go check it out. See ya.